各位乘客，請留意離你最近的乘務雲，我們將向你演示飛機的安全設施。謝。Ladies and gentlemen, please observe the cabin crew member closest to you as we are about to demonstrate the safety features of our aircraft. Thank you.
Welcome aboard Cathay Pacific.
歡迎乘搭國泰航空。
Your safety is important to us, so please take a few minutes to watch the following video as we present the safety features of this aircraft.
你嘅安全對我哋嚟講非常重要，請用幾分鐘留意呢段短片。
You can store any hand luggage or large items in the overhead compartments for takeoff and landing.
如果你有隨身攜帶手提行李或大型物件，喺起飛同降落前，請確保放喺行李櫃裏面。
Please ensure that personal electronic devices are switched off or set to airplane mode. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi function can be used throughout the flight. Use of radios and transmitters is not allowed.
請關閉個人電子用品或調校至飛行模式。飛行期間，你可以使用藍牙同無線上網功能，但請唔好使用無線電傳送設備。
If your electronic device becomes trapped in your seat, please don't adjust the seat yourself. Instead, ask our crew for assistance.
如果你嘅電子用品攝咗喺座位裏面，請唔好擅自調校座位，並通知我哋嘅機艙服務員。
You can place any small items underneath the seat in front of you.
你可以將細件物品放喺前面嘅座位下。
This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking or using e-cigarettes anywhere in the aircraft is against the law.
Ground Cathay 111
呢班係
Heavy
禁
with
煙
Golf
航班，
request taxi
喺
to
機
the
艙任
active
何地
departing
方吸
straight
煙
out.
或使用電子煙都係屬於違法。
Cathay 111 Heavy taxi to and halt short of runway 25 center by a taxiway Whiskey 1 Whiskey Bravo Bravo 12
Your
Bravo
seatbelt
10.
fastens and unfastens like
Contact
this.
tower on
請指示扣好
118.2 when
或解
ready.
開安全帶。
To adjust it,
Taxiing
pull the
hold
strap
short runway
until tight.
Five center using
需要調校嘅
taxiway
時
Whiskey
候，
1
可以
Whiskey
將安
Bravo
全帶
Bravo
拉緊。
12 Bravo 10 Cathay
We also have
111 Heavy.
seatbelts available for children under 2. Seatbelts should be worn whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on.
我哋亦有提供2歲以下嘅兒童專用安全帶。當扣上安全帶嘅燈號亮起，請必須扣好安全帶。
We recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened even if the sign is off, in case of unexpected turbulence.
即使燈號熄滅，我哋亦建議你繼續扣好安全帶，以防遇上突發氣流。
Oxygen masks will drop automatically if needed.
氧氣面罩會喺有需要嘅時候自動跌下。
Hold the mask down firmly. Place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust to fit and breathe normally. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating.
請用力拉下面罩，蓋於你嘅口鼻上面，調校到合適嘅位置，然後正常呼吸。氧氣袋無需充氣，亦能提供氧氣。
And ensure that your own mask is fitted correctly before helping others.
請先戴好你嘅氧氣面罩，再去照顧其他人。
The life jacket location is shown on the safety card, which is in your seat pocket.
你嘅衣袋裏面有一張安全指示卡，清楚列明救生衣嘅位置。
Remove the life jacket from the pouch.
先打開包裝，取出救生衣，
Place it over your head.
將救生衣套喺頸部，
Loop the strap around your waist
將腰帶圍住腰，
and fasten the buckle.
並扣好，
Then pull the strap firmly to tighten it.
然後索緊腰帶。
To inflate, simply pull the red toggle down firmly or blow into the tube.
充氣時只需要用力拉下紅色手掣，或者用充氣罐吹氣。
It also has a whistle and a light.
救生衣上面附有哨子同燈。
If needed, our crew will provide life jackets for children and inflatable cots for babies.
如果有需要，我哋嘅機艙服務員會提供兒童救生衣或嬰兒浮床。
And remember, only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft.
請記住，當離開機艙嘅時候，先至將救生衣充氣。
If there's an emergency, or you hear the phrase, brace, brace, Adopt the position shown in your safety card.
如果遇到緊急情況或者聽見 brace brace，請根據安全指示卡做出保護自己嘅姿勢。
In case of emergency, escape path lighting switches on automatically to guide you to the exits.
緊急情況下，逃生路線嘅照明系統會自動亮起，指示你去逃生出口。
Follow the crew's instructions.
請遵照機艙服務員嘅指示，
Remove high-heeled shoes and leave all personal belongings in the aircraft.
脱下高踭鞋，並將所有個人物品留喺飛機上。
Our crew are pointing out the exits now. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with your nearest exit.
請留意，我哋嘅機艙服務員正為你指示逃生出口。
When going down the evacuation slide, sit up straight, keep your arms in front of you, and look towards the landing point.
使用逃生滑梯時，請坐直，將雙手向前伸直，並望向落地嘅位置。
Once you have exited the aircraft, move away immediately.
離開機艙後，請迅速遠離飛機。
Please take a look at your safety card for what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency.
請查閱你嘅安全指示卡，了解緊急事故嘅逃生程序。
Now that we're almost ready for takeoff, make sure your tray table and TV are put away. Your seat should now be in the upright position and your seatbelt fastened.
我哋即將起飛，請確保你嘅接台同電視已經收好，將椅背校直同扣好安全帶。
Finally, and just as importantly,
最後，祝各位旅途愉快。
enjoy the journey.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will shortly be dimming the lights. You can turn on a reading light using the controls above your head or in your armrest.
Cabin crew cease for takeoff.
Hong Kong Tower Cafe 111 Heavy at runway 25 center,
Hi,
ready for
Captain.
departure,
The
departing
cabin is
straight
now
out.
secure for takeoff.
Cathay 111 Heavy wind calm departing straight out approved. Cleared for takeoff runway 25 center.
Cleared for takeoff runway 25 center, Cafe 111 Heavy.
111 Heavy leaving my airspace frequency change approved. Cafe 111 Heavy, did you hear my last transmission?
Hong Kong Tower Cafe 111 Heavy frequency change.
女士們、先生們，當安全帶指示燈亮起時，稱係好安全帶。我們建議你在就座期間始終係好安全帶。洗手間位於客艙兩端。請注意，全程禁止吸煙，包括電子煙。稍後我們將開始提供機上服務。你可以從我們今天提供的精選餐食中進行選擇。本次航班飛行時間為 8 hours and 39 minutes。目的地天氣狀況為 OK light winds。氣温約為40 degrees Celsius。更多詳情請3月機上雜誌。你也可以在吧台購買各種熱飲、其他飲品和小吃。我們接受所有主流信用卡和借記卡。如果你需要任何幫助，請隨時告知我們。我們稍後會來到客艙為你服務。Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt fastened whilst the seatbelt sign on. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. Remember